Welcome to Studio X English Podcast. I am Lina, and I am very happy you are here.
And I am Eric. It feels great to spend this time together.
Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more English practice.
Your support really helps us, and it helps your English grow every day.
Today, we start with a very common topic, a topic from real daily life.
Oh, really? That sounds useful already.
Yes, we're talking about travel and transport, something everyone experiences.
I see. We all move from one place to another.
People travel to work or school. They visit family or friends.
That's true. Travel is part of normal life.
Many English learners feel nervous about travel talk. Real situations can feel stressful.
I understand. Speaking outside feels harder.
Buying tickets can feel confusing. Asking directions can feel scary.
Wow, I feel that too sometimes.
But here's the good news. Travel English can be very simple.
That sounds great. Simple English feels safer.
We will use short sentences only. No difficult grammar today.
That makes me feel relaxed. Learning feels lighter already.
We will talk about buses and trains, cars, taxis, and walking.
All very useful words people hear every day.
You hear them on the street, at stations, and bus stops.
That's interesting. Real English from real life.
You do not need perfect English. You only need clear English.
I like that idea. Clear is better than perfect.
We will move slowly together, step by step.
That feels good. Learning should feel safe.
So stay comfortable with us and enjoy this conversation.
Yes, let's move forward naturally.
Daily travel is part of normal life. Most people travel every day.
That is true. Work and school need movement.
Some people walk to their destination, others use transport.
I see that every morning. The streets are always busy.
People choose different ways to travel. It depends on distance and time.
Yes, some places are near, some are far.
Walking is very common for short distances. It is simple and free.
And it is healthy. Many people enjoy walking.
For longer distances, people use transport. Buses are very popular.
I noticed that too. Buses carry many people together.
Trains are also common. They are fast and comfortable.
I like trains. You can sit and relax.
Cars are another option. Some people drive every day.
Driving feels convenient, but traffic can be stressful.
Yes, traffic changes the travel experience.
Busy roads can slow everything down.
Bicycles are used in many cities. They are quiet and flexible.
I like that idea. Bicycles feel light and free.
Weather can affect travel choices. Rain or heat changes plans.
That makes sense. People adjust naturally.
Morning travel feels different from evening travel. Energy levels change.
Morning feels rushed. Evening feels slower.
People often talk about their travel. It is a common topic.
Yes, everyone understands it.
Simple sentences work well here. I take the bus.
Or, I walk to work.
These sentences are clear. They sound natural.
That makes speaking easier. Less thinking is needed.
Daily travel shows real English, nothing complicated.
Just everyday life, shared by everyone.
These small details help conversation. They build confidence slowly.
I agree. Simple topics feel safe.
Travel is not always smooth. Problems happen often.
That is very true. Every traveler faces issues.
Sometimes transport is late. People wait longer than expected.
I see that a lot. Waiting feels frustrating.
Buses can arrive late. Trains can stop suddenly.
Yes, that makes people nervous.
Traffic is another common problem. Roads become crowded.
Cars move slowly. Time feels wasted.
People check the time again and again. They worry about being late.
I do that too. It feels stressful.
Weather also causes problems. Rain changes everything.
Umbrellas come out quickly. Shoes get wet.
Hot weather brings discomfort. Crowded buses feel worse.
Yes, air feels heavy.
Cold weather has problems too. Hands feel stiff.
Waiting outside becomes difficult.
People often talk about these moments. They share travel stories.
I hear them every day, at stops and stations.
These moments create conversation, simple and honest talk.
Like, the bus is late today.
Or traffic is very bad.
Everyone understands that. No explanation needed.
These sentences are useful. They appear in real life.
They sound natural. They feel familiar.
Problems also teach patience. People learn to wait.
Waiting becomes part of travel.
Some people listen to music. Others look outside.
Phones help pass time.
Even problems help language learning. They bring real expressions.
I agree. Real life teaches best.
Talking about problems builds connection. People feel the same.
That creates comfort. Shared experience matters.
Simple words work best here. No long explanations.
Short sentences feel safe.
Travel problems are normal. Everyone faces them.
That makes this topic easy, very relatable.
And useful for daily English.
Very useful indeed. Now tell us in the comments, what travel problem do you face most often?
People choose transport in different ways. Everyone has a reason.
Yes, choices depend on daily life.
Some people like speed. They choose fast transport.
Like cars or trains, time matters to them.
Others prefer comfort. They enjoy calm travel.
I understand that. Comfort feels important.
Buses are common for many people. They are easy to use.
Yes, and often affordable.
Trains feel smooth. People can relax more.
I like trains. They feel peaceful.
Some people walk short distances. Walking feels healthy.
It is free, too. That is a bonus.
Bicycles are popular in cities. They save time sometimes.
And help the environment.
Cars give privacy. People like personal space.
But traffic can ruin that.
Yes, traffic changes everything.
That makes public transport useful.
People think about cost as well. Money matters.
Taxis feel convenient, but they cost more.
Subways feel fast in cities. No traffic underground.
That saves time.
Weather also affects choice. Rain changes plans.
People avoid walking then.
Hot days feel uncomfortable. Crowded transport feels worse.
Cold days bring other problems.
People adjust their habits. They choose what feels best.
Preferences change with time.
Morning travel feels different. Evening travel feels slower.
Energy levels change.
People talk about these choices often, in simple words.
Like, I take the bus.
Or, I usually walk.
Short sentences work well.
They sound natural. They feel real.
That helps confidence.
Daily choices shape routines. transport becomes habit,
Habits make speaking easier,
and English becomes part of life.
naturally and calmly.
Travel is not always easy. Problems happen often.
Yes, everyone faces them.
Sometimes transport is late. Waiting feels long.
I feel stressed then. Time matters.
People check the clock. They feel nervous.
That feeling is common.
Crowded transport is another issue. Space feels small.
I do not like that. It feels uncomfortable.
Noise adds stress. People talk loudly.
And phones ring.
Sometimes seats are not available. People must stand.
Standing feels tiring.
Weather creates problems too. Rain causes delays.
Wet shoes feel awful.
Cold weather slows movement. People walk carefully.
Hot weather feels heavy.
Lost items are another problem. Bags or phones.
That causes panic.
People ask for help. They speak simply.
Like, I lost my bag.
Or, my bus is late.
Short sentences help.
Polite words matter. Please and thank you.
They make things easier.
Sometimes plans change suddenly. Routes close.
That feels frustrating.
People find other options. They stay calm.
Calm thinking helps.
Travel problems teach patience and flexibility.
Yes, very important skills.
Talking about problems is useful. It builds confidence.
English becomes practical.
Real situations bring learning, not textbooks.
That feels encouraging.
These moments happen every day, for everyone.
They are part of travel life.
Now we take a quiet moment. Time to look back.
Yes, review helps memory.
We talked about travel and transport. Simple words.
Words used in daily life.
First word is travel. Travel means going from one place to another.
Like going to work or visiting family.
Next word is transport. Transport means how we move.
Bus, car, train.
Another word is commute. Commute is your daily trip.
Home to school, home to work.
We also used route. Route means the way you go.
Bus route, train route.
Next word is delay. Delay means something is late.
A late bus, a late train.
We talked about crowded. Crowded means many people together.
Little space, too much noise.
Another word is on foot. That means walking.
No bus, no car.
We also used ticket. A ticket allows travel.
Ticket, train ticket.
And the word platform. That is where you wait for a train.
Very important word.
All these words are useful. You can use them today.
Short sentences are enough.
You do not need perfect English. You need clear English.
Practice comes from real life.
Travel gives many chances to practice.
Everyday situations.
Thank you for staying with us. Your time matters.
Your effort matters too.
Now we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments.
How do you usually travel?
Bus, car, train, or on foot?
Write one simple sentence.
We read every comment.